Well, it's the move.
What's going on?
But that's not lit.
Wait a minute. Welcome back to Davion B. Welcome back to another video. The title says my quickest game ever. Shifty 1v1 versus Thomas for the Hooligans. This should be a great game, fellas. Let's go right straight to the video.
These short shorts, Jay.
Let me know in the comments. Y'all like these shorts? Let me know if I need longer shorts, bro.
Those your swimming trunks?
No, bro.
This guy wore swimming trunks in the fucking game.
Hey, yo, get out of here, bro. So you know what we're doing, man. We're going 1v1, game to 13, ones and twos. I don't know if we're going to need a halftime, really. Depends on how we feel, but best of luck to you, my boy.
Hey, yo, it's Thigh High 1 versus Thigh High 2.
That's really?
Yeah.
Look, hey, this is the first time I'm shooting for ball. So here we go. First time. Normally everybody else shoot, but I shoot.
I got the NBA.
Alright, look, before we get to this video, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Road to 100K. And without further ado, let's jump to the video.
I think the last one was 11 6. 7 of his.
Oh, yeah! Get out of here! Hey, that's tough. Oh, yeah, two seconds.
No post up. Hey, he's supposed to go 7 times, bro. Scary.
What the fuck was that? Yeah, but that was fucking. That was fucking.
We gonna see what's up, bro. Today.
Shit, this shit broke. What was that at?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Smokey the Bear. Smokey the Bear.
Smoking bogeys. Well, Newports. Bogey handle. Hey, wow. You know I'm gonna smoke shit anyway, so go fuck yourself. Oh, look at his underwear showing.
Oh, that's.
Tommy, you cannot let him win when his underwear showing. Yeah, you gotta wear spandex with those your underwear. It's your underwear, bro. Pause.
Wait. Oh, y'all make this shit.
Wow.
Damn, I know where to go.
Wow.
Alright, that big one. Little. Wait. Hey, he's a little strong. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta. Weight room on next week. Weight room on.
I know you really don't have to go away from them. Like, I just in general. Hold check, please. Wow. 3-1? Tommy, if you lose, you're out of the cool. You're not losing, though. Tommy's not losing at all. Are you kidding me? Wow. Well, that would have been a really tough fight. You know, camera?
That's that zone 6, bro.
And what were you down my 1v1?
Oh my goodness. Oh, nice one.
Okay, boy. Tough fuck. Good chance.
Come on now.
There you go, Marcellus' little brother.
Oh,
4-3. Tommy to upside.
Can't.
Check up. Got it. Okay.
Oh, Griffey's mad from yesterday, for sure.
7-3. You need halftime or not? All right, we gonna speed through this shit. Come on, 7-3. I want to get.
Hey, you love disrespect you.
My fucking God.
What are you doing? Tommy growing.
Hey! 9-3.
What? Tommy! Come on, my boy. Don't sell the gang, bro.
He is Smokey the Bear.
Smoking. He just
Bro, hit my hand, bro. I got you one? Nah.
Tommy, you better get it back. Stop forcing him fight.
Alright, relax. Hey, good shot.
Okay, 9-5. Let's go. Hurry up there, Tommy.
Nah, we're about to go.
Oh!
Good.
Oh, yeah. I didn't have to get it. But I take yeah,
You're fine.
Oh, you didn't knock the ball?
Yeah, bro.
What's up? Who are you giving this guy fucking?
10-5, 10-5.
Come on, giving this guy 2K boosts?
Dude, he had the big break.
Let him
Throw
shoot.
5.
I can't get out there.
Your brother, I know Sale gonna be happy,
Stop
boy.
taking the ball in the same spot.
Hell yeah, Sale gonna be happy. Let's go. Money.
Shit, bro.
Game.
Hey, man. Look, we're going to get a rematch when I pop out to Orlando soon. So you guys will see on his channel, we're going to play running back. Tommy's tough as shit, though. He's strong as shit, too. But I got to hit the weight room. Playing, look, that's what I noticed playing everybody. I really got to hit the weights because he's strong as shit.
That was a great video. The quickest game ever, man. Shout out to Shifty, you little man. Shout out to you, Tommy, bro. You did try, bro. Man, it was a great game overall. So, hey, man, make sure y'all like and subscribe. Make sure y'all give me to 1K. Gonna be grinding, dropping on videos. Lock. Davion B out.